A massive balloon with an attached machine fell from the sky in Jalasangi village, located in Humnabad taluk, Bidar district, causing widespread panic among the villagers. The balloon, which landed on a house, shocked the residents, especially as the machine attached to it had a blinking red light, adding to their anxiety. A letter in Kannada found with the balloon mentioned the TIFR Balloon Facility and stated that it was released by the National Center under the Government of India. The letter further clarified that the balloon had been launched from Hyderabad and promised a reward for its return. The incident has attracted attention due to the nature of balloons' fall and its connection to scientific research. The balloon, part of a satellite payload launched by the Tata Institute of Fundamental Research (TIFR), was launched at 10 p.m. the previous evening from Hyderabad for meteorological study. Its operational duration was expected to be 6 to 7 hours, after which it fell in Jalasangi village early in the morning. Authorities have confirmed that the balloon is part of a weather research satellite payload being studied by the central government. Tata scientists are expected to visit the village to retrieve the balloon and gather information about the study. A contact number was provided in the letter written in English, Kannada, and Marathi, advising the villagers not to disturb the balloon and to immediately report any issues. At present, a large crowd has gathered to view the fallen balloon. Though no damage has been reported, the local Humnabad police have visited the site and are conducting an investigation into the incident. The villagers, still anxious, are awaiting further instructions from authorities.